त्यातून गोव्याला त्यांनी युवराज मलिक, मिलिंद मराठे चेअरमन, राजेश पांडे, आम्ही एकत्रित गोव्याच्या मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतना नोव्हेंबरमध्ये भेटलो. त्या ठिकाणी इच्छा प्रकट केली. त्यानुसार गोव्यात पुस्तक महोत्सव 4 फेब्रुवारीपासून 8 फेब्रुवारीपर्यंत 5 दिवसांचा पुस्तक महोत्सव होतो. तर त्यांनी नागपूरची व्हॅन पाठवून दिलेली आहे NPT, जी गावोगावी गोव्यात जाऊन प्रदर्शन, पुस्तक विक्री करत आहे. 200 पेक्षा अधिक स्टॉल असणार. 2 लाख पेक्षा अधिक नागरिकांनी भेट द्यावी असा आमचा प्रयत्न आहे. तर भव्य प्रमाणात पुस्तक महोत्सव होतोय. हजारो पुस्तकं असतील त्या ठिकाणी. तर ते आपल्याला सविस्तर माहिती देतील युवराज.
थैंक यू सर. हिंदी या इंग्लिश क्या पता?
English.
नहीं, I'm okay with sir.
Sir, go with English.
I'm Yuvraj Malik, Director, National Book Trust of India, Ministry of Education, and I'm the CEO of the book fair across the country under Ministry of Education, and I'm joined with Shri Kiran Thakurji, who is the patron of upcoming Goa Book Festival, patron founding member of the complete concept. National Book Trust India is the nodal agency for books and publishing in the country. The primary mandate is to promote book reading and culture across the nation through various formats by organizing book fairs, literature festivals, culture festivals, and also other children activities. In our mandate to promote book reading culture, we have joined hands together with Lokmanya Foundation and Kiran Thakurji, who took this initiative that every state has its own book fair, official book fair, but there is no book fair in Goa, which is at the scale of national level. With this idea, we have joined hands together, and all the stakeholders, which include the state government of Goa, we also have the other departments of education, sports, culture, along with Lokmanya Foundation and other different organizations. So cumulatively, I will say this is an event of the state now, because they are all stakeholders from all walks of life, and we are just a nodal agency for that. This upcoming edition of Goa Book Festival will be organized in a collaborative model from 4th to 8th of February 2026 in DB Bandhavgarh Ground, Panji, which is just across to the Kala Academy. The timings for the book fair will be from 11 o'clock till 8 p.m, which can be extended as per requirement in the response that the people want there. May also increase in the evening. The entry for the entire event will be ticket free. There will not be any charges for any activity to participate and attend, whether it's the literary session, whether it is cultural session, or whether it is children events or competitions. Anybody can come, walk in and participate into that. That is free of cost. Idea is to promote and bring the society back to the power of books, back to the power of culture and reading. In this festival, every day we have planned the whole day in 3 formats. Firstly, telling about the inauguration. The inauguration will be held on 4th of February in the evening around 4:30 p.m. Precisely time may have 15-20 minute variation depending on the chief guest arrival. Honorable Chief Minister of Goa will be inaugurating in the august presence of the Education Minister of Goa, along with the secretaries and Shri Kiran Thakurji, Chairman National Book Trust, Director MBT, along with Culture Minister of Goa. Culture Minister of Goa, and also the our trustees of National Book Trust and patron of Pune Book Festival. So all together, all the stakeholders, they will be represented in the inauguration ceremony in different forums. The first half from morning 10:30, 11 till 2 o'clock will be engaging children in different competitions. We are going to share this complete brochure with you, which has all the detail and activities which we are going to conduct for all the children. We have outreach with schools and other organizations where these NGOs, schools and institutions will be coming and participating in this competition. Then from lunch till evening, we will be having a lot of literary sessions. That is another brochure that we have created. So every day we have session in Hindi, English, Konkani, and Marathi also. So this complete event will be multilingual event, and different sessions will be organized. This is again total ticket-free event. Then we will have an evening followed by cultural performances. So we have invited one of the best cultural performances across the country, which represent different dimensions, whether it is modern music, whether it is classical, or it is folk, or whether it is our heritage. So all these aspects have been taken care of, and this complete brochure is also ready. So every day these events are also being organized, and I want to be very clear, there are no charges for it. Anybody can come and walk it. The event has been kept ticket free only to promote book reading and this reading culture in the society. Also, all publishers will be offering a discount of more than 10%, at least 10% discount will be given. As and when things will unfold, the publishers will offer more discount also. We have more than 200 stalls here. There is going to be around 250 stalls overall, and 100 plus publishers present in the book fair. Now, we have some of the top highlighted features. For example, recently we got Group Captain Shukla, who got Ashok Chakra. So he will be coming for the first time, I think, to stay to interact with you. And that session is one of the most highlighted feature of this book festival, because I have attended it personally in Pune also, Delhi also. So that particular event has got such a high acceptance and motivational aspect. I request each one of you to come and kindly attend it. It is for everybody. It is for children, it is for school, teachers, it is for everybody who want to do something big in life and inspire themselves. Similarly, we have very leading authors, actors, actresses who are authors. We have poets, writers, and more than that, we are going to set up a different platform. For example, there will be one cultural platform for the dedicatedly cultural activities. There will be dedicated children pavilion with all around activities going on. Even if that event's timing is over, children can come and perform creative skills there. They can participate in creative workshops. They will be open for the whole day. Then we have created an author corner where all these talk shows will be going, and we are also offering this stage. Our local team is organizing. A lot of book release will be happening. Book release functions will be organized, and there is no charges for that. So anyone who wants, they can apply well in time, apply to the organization, and we will provide this platform for the upcoming author, young authors, and budding authors who wants to release their book and want to have a discussion also. Then we'll have a dedicated pavilion for books where these all publishers will be there, and to have hospitality, a small food court is also being set up just next to the main campus. Overall, parking is adequately catered. We have catered the complete area for the parking. They will be readily available. There will not be any issue about parking management also. And lastly, I will just say that this is not just a book fair that people are taking. It is a complete family event where you can come with your complete family. People from all age group can come, and they can have something productive for them for the whole day. And I want to outreach through your good offices. Media is the biggest support that we have to make our event successful. Wherever these media outreach have happened, the festival has become a very big success. And I am sure Goa Book Festival is not our festival. We have come here to create an event which will become a legacy. This will be your festival, festival of your state, festival for your people, organized by you, for you, and definitely to promote your younger generation with better values and good quality content. This is the broad concept that we have, and as and when we move, we'll keep updating you every day about our book fair. You are most welcome. We'll create a dedicated space for the media people who come. They can meet. Our media coordinator is right here. So you are all most welcome for all the ceremonies and all the events. And especially for media, we'll create a dedicated space to come and interact with us. This is what broadly we have. Then we are also going to create a dedicated exhibition area also, where we are going to celebrate Sardar Patel at 150. This is the 150th year of Sardar Patel, and that legacy in the form of exhibition will be displayed there. We will also have a 150 years of Vande Mataram. So that complete exhibition which we played in Delhi has been brought here, which is a very good and educative and informative exhibition. That will also be displayed there. And we do have a couple of cultural and photography exhibitions which are being done. Art exhibition through paintings is also being done by the local stakeholders. Then we have a story of light and delight, which is Manoj Das is the author and local icon, legendary icon Mariotti Miranda. He was the illustrator for that. So those exhibition and artwork is also being displayed. So we are creating this festival of Goa Book Festival platform just to promote book reading and bring more and more people closer to the books. And all those who are fond of reading, having e-content and e-books, for them a dedicated stall has been set up, Rashtriya E-Pustakaya. That will be our online platform where more than 6,000 books in 22 Indian languages will be given free of cost. Right now also you can download in your mobile, but if you come, we'll give you a demonstration also. And all school, college institutions, I again repeat, it's totally free for all. Anybody can go scan these books and download in their mobiles. That's all I had. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to take on.
What else you are doing otherwise to promote reading and as well as country nationwide?
Sir, we are doing hundreds of activities. For example, we do book fair all across. Where book fair don't happen, we do book exhibitions. We do book on wheel. जहाँ बुक फेयर नहीं हो सकते वहाँ हमारी बस जाती है, जैसे यहाँ के लोकल जो इंटीरियर्स में हमारी बस जा रही है. इसके अलावा वी आर डूइंग चिल्ड्रन कैंप, चिल्ड्रन वर्कशॉप्स, वी हैव राइटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, वी हैव मैगजीन्स कमिंग अप टू प्रमोट राइटर्स so that people read and write also. Children bulletin we have Pustak Sanskriti coming up. Then we do collaborate with all these institutions. We organize a lot of literary sessions. We provide free platform for all the authors to organize. So the activity list is, I think, more than 1,000 events in a year, whereas we have only 365 days. This is how we are doing, and we have such kind of festival across the country. We have such in Pune, we had in Nagpur, we have in Srinagar, we have in Ladakh, we have in Shillong, we have Lucknow, Gorakhpur, Ujjain. The list is endless. So Ahmedabad, Dehradun, list, and not only India, abroad also. Abroad also, we are coming up like Frankfurt. We are doing India Pavilion. So the concept of putting an institution and organization in forefront is over. So we are doing at the national level, international level as India banner, Bharat Mandapam, Bharat Pavilion, where all the stakeholders and writers participate. There was no festival in Goa of this scale and this kind, and I am very happy that we got very good support from all the segments of the society, and very special thanks to the Lokmanya Cultural Foundation to come up with us and join hands and become our local partner to understand how we do go about it. I am sure Goa Book Festival in 1 or 2 years will become country's leading literary tourism destination. This is my experience, which after doing hundreds of exhibitions I feel 1 or 2 years this will be shining on the literary map, because Goa has its own fragrance of festivity. And festivity is all around, and the warmth in the reception level is very high. People are quite, we are one of the most literate states. We declare 100% literacy. Hardly any of the states have that kind of capacity. So I'm sure with literature and 100% literacy, all things will come up very well, and a very outstanding platform will be created through Goa Book Festival.
So this will be an annual event?
I'm sure it will be. I will look forward to do that, but we will evaluate it after the book fair, book festival is over. And I'm sure if the response in city comes up, we will be able to scale up and make it annual also.
Sir, any plans to have a book vehicle for different states so that we can take it to the different villages?
Yes, sir, we have.
Which space, especially with children books, so that we can encourage the
yes, sir. We have a modified bus. We will show you. We have a modified bus where we do carry out activities also. We carry out curated books also. And we want to take it to a village level also, not only city people who can't come to city, to the port, the interior areas. We want to outreach to them. So that is already
during the festival. I mean,
no, around the year we have.
Around the year, yeah.
Since this festival will become a platform under this banner, we will be outreaching to all villages. So we will be happy to have a dedicated bus with all these facilities in Goa. Yes, we will be happy.
National Book Festival will be arranged. National Book Trust is publishing all India languages. They should publish foreign language, Portuguese, Spanish, German, and others, Japanese, Chinese, Cantonese language, so that India's image will be known to other countries. So that Goa will be on international map. Already tourism, Goa is known to world. So that literary Indian culture, what type of Indian culture is, India has history. Nobody that legacy. So we should promote Indian culture to outside India.
How do you do with the e-learning process? The way you are handling it as a separate entity.
So
Other than the education ministry, how do you do e-learning process for support reading and writing and publishing those kind of things? Because it is an era of multimedia activities. It's a complex situation now.
top 8 countries in Europe are banning multimedia. It is a combination of both that you have to go. So the beauty is not rejecting technology or getting dominated by it. The beauty is integrating both of them. जब आप सुकून से हैं तो किताब पढ़े, आप ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं ऑडियो बुक्स करने जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं, जब आप ट्रांजिट में यहाँ बुक नहीं ले जा सकते ज़्यादा, ई बुक्स पढ़े. वी शुड हैव ए बैलेंस ऑफ एवरीथिंग. हम टेक्नोलॉजी को साइलेंट भी नहीं कर सकते और उसको अपने ऊपर हावी भी नहीं होने दे सकते. तो माय आइडिया इज दैट वी शुड हैव प्लेस फॉर बोथ एंड देयर इज एडिक्वेट स्पेस फॉर दैट.
How do you take up the process of supporting e-learning?
E-learning, providing free books 6,000 copies. Now we are giving 10,000 by the year end. I think that is the biggest support to the whole country. 140 crore people, nobody can afford. Government is putting everything. People should read. वो मोबाइल से पढ़े, वो लैपटॉप पे पढ़े, वो आईपैड से पढ़े, वो बुक से पढ़े, वो यहाँ आके पढ़े. But they should read because when we read, we create a generation with values, and they are going to become very responsible citizens. That is the whole process in the world. Reading is foundational to make good citizens.
पुस्तक प्रकाशनासाठी कोणाशी संपर्क करायला पाहिजे?
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, समझ नहीं पा रही.
पुस्तक प्रकाशनासाठी कोणाशी संपर्क करायला पाहिजे?
book release, book to
सर हमारे सर
समझ गया सर आपका मेरा क्वेश्चन?
समझ गया. आपको बुक रिलीज के लिए आप अपना एप्लीकेशन हमें दे सकते हैं और हमारा ऑफिस वहाँ पे है. कैंप ऑफिस में आप दीजिए, हम इमीडिएटली आपको उसको इवेलुएट करके विद ए कॉपी ऑफ द बुक आप जो रिलीज करना चाहते हैं, वी विल प्रोवाइड यू द नेसेसरी स्लॉट, स्पेस एंड टाइमिंग.
Robantak Silver Samaj, Braganza Hall, ground floor. ये ऑफिस में 10 to 6 you can, and football ground side पे 4th onwards office will be there.
So total how much is the budget
और
for the event for the night?
that will come over when the moment we start building up. After the event, then only I can give a detail on budget. And I think budget is immaterial. Budget का कोई when we are building a society, we are creating an environment for the city and people. It doesn't matter how much money we spend. We should create a very good platform for the society and for our younger generation.
सर हर बरस नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट है ना, कितना बुक पब्लिश करती है?
सर हर साल जब हम टाइटल्स के नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज बात करें तो कम से कम ज़्यादा नहीं तो हम 5 से 6 करोड़ किताबें हर साल पब्लिश करते हैं. और नंबर ऑफ टाइटल्स में 2000 से टाइटल्स हमारे आते हैं, जिसमें कम से कम 500 फ्रेश और अपडेटेड भी होते हैं. तो 60 से ज़्यादा भाषाओं में हम पब्लिश करते हैं, सभी यूएन लैंग्वेजेस में पब्लिश करते हैं. लास्ट ईयर हमने यहाँ सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी में भी वर्कशॉप किया था. कोंकणी की 100 से ज़्यादा बच्चों की किताबें हमने ट्रांसलेट की, जो पिछले काफ़ी समय से नहीं हुई थी. तो यहाँ की जो लोकल कोंकणी राइटर्स की टीम थी, उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, जिससे कोंकणी का कंटेंट जो बिल्कुल ना के बराबर रह गया था चिल्ड्रन सेगमेंट में, उसमें हर साल 100 किताबें आई हैं. और वो फिर बाकी गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने स्कूल्स में उनको बच्चों के लिए पढ़ने के लिए यूटिलाइज भी किया. मुझे लगता है ये प्लेटफॉर्म आने से कोंकणी राइटर्स, ट्रांसलेटर्स, इलस्ट्रेटर्स जो हैं लोकल, उनको भी एक बड़ा मंच मिलेगा, एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा वेयर दे कैन यूज देयर स्किल्स फॉर. अकेला केवल ये एक मेजर ऐसा इवेंट नहीं है कि बुक फेयर लगा है, एक पूरा इकोसिस्टम एक्टिवेट होता है. टीचर्स भी आएंगे आपके, लाइब्रेरियंस भी आएंगे, लाइब्रेरीज में भी अच्छी किताबें पहुँचेंगी क्योंकि ऑप्शन ज़्यादा होंगे आपके पास. अदरवाइज आप लिमिटेड बुक शॉप से कितना कंटेंट ले पाएंगे? व्हेन यू हैव 100+ पब्लिशर्स, 250 स्टॉल्स, तो ऑप्शंस टू चूज इज मोर. इट इज़ बेटर पैकेजिंग. एंड साथ ही साथ जो यंग राइटर्स लिखने की बात होती है और जो बच्चे लिखेंगे उनको हम पब्लिश करेंगे. वी विल एनकरेज चिल्ड्रन टू राइट एंड देन वी विल बी पब्लिशिंग दैट इनटू आवर फ्रेमवर्क.
स्कूल के बच्चे आने के लिए क्या का इंतजाम किया है?
Sorry, sir?
स्कूल के बच्चे आने के लिए क्या?
स्कूल के बच्चों के लिए जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, उन लोगों ने उनके लिए टाई अप किया है. उनके लॉजिस्टिक्स, उनकी बसेस वगैरह, मोबिलिटी हम देंगे. और जो स्कूलों के पास ऑलरेडी है मोबिलिटी, जो अच्छे प्राइवेट स्कूल्स हैं, वो खुद भी लेके आए.
So as you know that libraries, generally speaking, are becoming very commercial and they need refurbishing. Is the institution, is NVT doing anything for the libraries?
No, we provide books to them on a discounted rate, and development of library comes under Ministry Ministry of Culture, that is Radharam Life Foundation. They have a huge grant package. If any library wants to apply, they can give it to the application to them. They provide grant, direct grant to them. We can provide books to them, and any school which is there wants to meet us, give us a copy, give a letterhead. I don't want any recommendation. If any principal can give me a letter, I will try to give 25,000 rupees book to each school who comes and give me an application. I don't want any recommendation from anybody. The school principal teacher is the authority to give it one application. We will try to arrange a book worth 25,000 for a school.
सर अभी आपने ई बुक और डिजिटल रीडर्स के बारे में बताया, तो इस तरह के जो बुक फेस्टिवल है इससे कितना अवेयरनेस और कितना बेनिफिट होएगा ऐसा लगता है। और सेकंड, गोवा में सर कितने रीडर्स है और बुक रीडर्स, और लाइब्रेरियन का जो अभी पार्ट किया तो लाइब्रेरी को भी आप उसमें शामिल करवा रहे हैं?
सर जो मेरा मैंडेट है वो बुक रीडिंग और बुक प्रमोशन का है। जहाँ तक इसकी बात है, अभी न्यू दिल्ली वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर हमने किया जो 25 लाख के आसपास लोग वहाँ आए। हमने पूना किया था लगभग 11.5-12 लाख लोग वहाँ आए। इससे पहले नागपुर किया लगभग 5 से 6 लाख लोग वहाँ आए। तो जब आप लोगों को ऑर्गेनिकली नेचुरली लेके आते हैं तो दे ऑटोमेटिकली गेट एक्सपोजर और ऑटोमेटिकली रीडर कन्वर्ट होता है। उसमें से अगर 50% लोग भी बुक बाय करेंगे एंड वापस जाएंगे तो वो एक रेडीमेड रीडर बन रहा है। रीडर बनने से पूरा पब्लिशिंग इंडस्ट्री बूम होता है। तो जब तक आप नहीं करेंगे लोगों को ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा और उन राइटर्स को, स्कॉलर्स को मिलने का मौका आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा जिनको आप पढ़ते आए हैं। तो ये पूरा एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट होता है बुक्स के साथ, जिससे ऑटोमेटिकली सोसाइटी में अच्छी लर्निंग ग्राफ पड़ता है।
So the importance of printed books still retain in the age of Kindle and other such apps?
I don't find any decline in my response. It is not. It is in fact going up after COVID. जो हम लोग समझ रहे हैं, we are consuming data, but seeing Delhi World Book Fair, we were surprised. हम लोग crowd देख के surprised थे कि especially young generation, Gen Z, they were coming and buying books. Only thing, how do you package it, how do you support it? अगर content अच्छा है तो लोग खरीद रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं। हमने पिछले 5 सालों में एनपीटी ने कोई डिक्लाइन फेस नहीं किया है रीडिंग में।
सर आपने बोला कि 250 स्टॉल्स आएंगे, तो वैसे देखने के लिए तो क्राउड भी बहुत ज़्यादा आएगा, तो उसके लिए सेफ्टी के लिए आपने क्या मेजर रखा?
आप उसकी चिंता मत करिए। हम लोग अभी 20 से 25 लाख लोगों को हमने मैनेज किया, पर डे 2 लाख। तो एवरी डे एंड नाइट वी आर डूइंग दीज इवेंट्स। पर डे अभी भी हमारा एक इवेंट चल रहा है उड़ीसा में, इसके अलावा दिल्ली है, नागपुर, पुणे, मुंबई। तो उसमें हम बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी आर वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल। पूरा एरिया से हमने कैमरा से मॉनिटर किया है, हमारी टीम्स रहेंगी, हर उसमें सेक्शन हेड्स रहेंगे, सिक्योरिटी सेटअप रहेगा, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपने सारे अरेंजमेंट्स करेगी। और मुझे लगता है कि जितना मैंने देखा है, गोवा इज द सेफेस्ट प्लेस दैट आई हैव सीन एंड पीपल आर मोस्ट law-abiding citizens have come across. People follow rules here, people respect rules here, and people respond to each other's call. So I don't think there is any issue, even if crowd is there, that there will be any issue. And if it is, we are there to take care of it.
Education department has issued circular.
सर ने बताया, हमने जो स्कूल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट से वी हैव टाइड अप विद एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट एंड दे इशूड official circular to all the schools and academic institutions to mobilize their students and visit the book fair. And of course, it will be very engaging.
So local students will also perform in the activities which you are planning.
Yes, we have engaged local as volunteers, trainers, different format we have taken.
But school children, they will be present.
Yes, come you enjoy. You come and see the children activity. This is for them. It is free of cost. Just enjoy it. मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात आप लोगों से कहना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज इवेंट जहाँ भी हाइट टेक ऑफ करता है वो मीडिया की वजह से करता है। इफ़ यू आर एबल टू टेल पीपल, यू गो आउट एंड एक्सप्लोर इट, दिस इज द टाइम। कल्चरल कॉन्सर्ट्स वो सब तो चलता रहता है, बट दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट दैट वी आर गेटिंग। दिस इज द नेशन बिल्डिंग एक्सरसाइज। दिस इज जस्ट नॉट ए एंटरटेनमेंट पैकेज, इट्स a nation building exercise, and every family should come and spend and understand, and with your outreach, with your contact every day, with your support, media publicity, I'm sure we can mobilize a large number of society for a better outcome. There's no financial angle to it, but only thing we can create a very good platform which will become a brand for the state, and literary brand banana. मुझे लगता है it's high time for Goa, because Goa has got all kind of brand, and now time for making a literary brand also.
Sir, what do you think that will really attract the children towards the books?
उसमें जो अलाइड एक्टिविटीज हैं, चाहे वो ग्राफिक का हो, स्टोरी टेलिंग का हो, हमारी जो लीगेसी है इट ऑल अबाउट स्टोरी टेलिंग. एवरी मदर टीचेस स्टोरी. सो एवरी डे वी हैव ए स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशन. We have a creative art, we have Vedic mathematics, we have a lot of painting workshops going on. So all these things create an environment of learning. Books is learning without books, while being around books. I'm saying learning without books while being around books. That is the whole beauty of it. So I want to thank each one of you and thank Lokmanya Foundation and Kiran Thakurji, Chief Patron of Goa Book Festival, for all the support, and I look forward to similar cooperation and support. I'm round the clock available for next 4 days. Please come and visit Book Festival. Thank you.
Lunch is ready and you can enjoy lunch.